If you reach a flooded road, turn and find another path. Do not try to drive through the water. This could be very, very dangerous. If you're driving on a road and an animal is standing on the far right, you should slow down and stop to give way to the animal. To reduce your chances of colliding with an animal, you should be extremely alert when driving on roads marked with animal crossing signs and drive carefully at dawn and dusk. This is the time when the animals are most active. Reduce speed when approaching animals that are standing near the road, because they can run away or change direction. If you're driving and are stopped by a law enforcement officer, you must pull off the road safely and park immediately on the right, away from traffic. Stay in the driver's seat. Do not get out of the vehicle. And be prepared to show your driver's license, vehicle registration certificate, and proof of insurance. At an intersection, there's a law enforcement officer directing traffic. Even if the control signs are operating correctly, you must follow the agent's instructions, not the signal. As a safe driver, you should know that crashes happen in intersections more than any other place. To avoid rear-ending the vehicle in front of you, be sure to maintain a safe distance of at least 4 seconds and increase following distance in adverse weather conditions or heavy traffic. If a vehicle approaching your lane, honk and flash your high beams, slam on the brakes, and steer the vehicle to the side of the road. If your vehicle breaks down and is out of service, you must move the vehicle so that all 4 wheels are out of the travel lanes and turn on your hazard lights. You're driving down a road and suddenly your right wheels come off the pavement. What should you do? Take your foot off the accelerator, hold down the steering wheel firmly, and steer straight. You are driving in heavy rain and your vehicle begins to hydroplane. Take your foot off the accelerator and do not use the brakes. Drive straight. This sign means school crossing ahead. If you blow out a tire while driving on a busy road, you should take your foot off the accelerator, do not use the brakes, and concentrate on the driving. Slow down gradually, brake gently when you reach the control of the vehicle, and leave the asphalt completely. You're driving on a highway and suddenly you feel that the accelerator pedal is stuck. What should you do? Take your foot off the accelerator and engage the clutch in manual transmission, or shift into neutral if it is automatic. Do not turn off the engine. If you turn off the engine, you will lose the ability to steer the vehicle. How should you proceed if your vehicle stops on train tracks and starts flashing warning lights? Remove all passengers from the vehicle immediately and move away from the vehicle. When approaching an intersection with traffic signals that are not in operation due to a power outage, you should proceed as in a four-way stop sign. So vehicles will move through the intersection in the order in which they arrived. First come, first go. If several vehicles arrive at the same time, the driver on the left gives way to the driver on the right. You are driving on a residential road and approaching an intersection controlled by a four-way stop. You should know vehicles proceed through the intersection in order in which they arrived at it. The first vehicle to reach the intersection must proceed first. If vehicles arrive at approximately the same time, each driver must yield to the driver on the right. If you are involved in a collision with an unattended vehicle, your duty is that if you cannot locate the owner, you must leave a note with your name, contact information, and license plate number. If a law enforcement officer stops you and finds you have an alcohol level of 0.08 or higher, your license will automatically be suspended. If you refuse to take a breath test to measure your blood alcohol level, your license will be automatically suspended for 1 entire year. How long will a driving under the influence DUI penalty stay on your driving record? 75 years. What does this sign mean? Zigzag road. Roundabout circle. Announce a roundabout in advance. Be prepared to slow down and stop if necessary. To which of the signs does this belong? B would be the correct answer. A roundabout is a circular intersection without traffic signs. You should know that drivers entering the roundabout must yield to vehicles already traveling through the roundabout. The orange signals are construction and maintenance warning. What is the name of this signal? Speed limit. Your speed must not exceed that indicated in this area. It is illegal to drive with excess speed. You must obey the speed limit and you are responsible for knowing the speed limit when driving. What is the safest speed? A speed that allows you to have complete control of your vehicle and avoid collisions. Of the traffic signs that appear below, which of them indicates a slow-moving car? That is correct. C. Of the traffic signs that appear, which of them indicates that it is a no passing zone? B would be your answer, and I really hope that you got this one right. This sign means two-way traffic.